We spend about $30 billion helping other countries. Well, if you were going to help your neighbor, if your neighbor was without food, would you first feed your children? If you had a little money left over, help the children next door? That's what most people would do. If you're going to give money to your church or your synagogue, would you go to the bank and borrow the money to give to somebody? Would that be compassionate or foolhardy? Is it compassionate to borrow money to give it to someone else?